name's Chris Brennan. I'm the founder of Jekyll, and what we're doing here is we're maximizing people's mental, emotional, physical potential. Whether you're an elite athlete, a pro athlete, potential college athlete, little league kid, a soccer mom, a doctor, or a lawyer, if you are a human being, we are maximizing your potential through the sport of gymnastics. And anybody can do it. If you're an athlete, what you need is explosive power. You need range of motion. You need static strength. And the sport of gymnastics covers all of that.
My name is Matt Bushman. I am a professional baseball player. Jekyll's benefited me in many ways, but I would just say specifically, physically and mentally. Physically, I have a better understanding of what my body can do, and I've been able to push the limitations of that. And then mentally, I think you get the positivity of being able to push yourself to a level you probably didn't think you could get to previously.
My name is Tina Kane, and I actually work for a health insurance company. Well, back in 2011, I actually was diagnosed with fatty liver disease, and my doctor basically said, you have 5 years if you don't make a change. And we started off slowly, and within just working out 2 days a week, I've lost over 100 pounds, and it's just totally has transformed my life.